Students, we'll start today the new topic, that is squares and square roots, that is lesson number 6. Okay, now let us understand what are squares first. Okay, now whenever you are multiplying any number two times, okay, suppose this is 1, so 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1 square. Okay, if this number is 2, 2 multiplied by 2, that is 2 square, that is answer is 4. Like that, square means whenever you are multiplying any number two times, that is the square, and the answer is the square of that number. Okay, that is called squaring of a number. Squaring means whenever you are multiplying any number two times, the answer is known as the square of that number. So square of 5 is 25, square of 8 is 64, like that. Okay, square of a is a square because it's an unknown number. Okay, now so all these numbers here, you see 1, 4, 9, 25, 64. These are known as square of these number 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. Okay. Now let us see the squares from number 1. So first number is 1. 1 is 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1. 2 is 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. Okay. So these are the numbers and these are the squares. Just turn the page. Similarly, if you have got 3, it is 3 multiplied by 3, 9. 4, 4 square is 16, 5, 5 square is 25. So you go on for the next number 6, 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. Okay, then 7 multiplied by 7, that is 7 square is 49. So 8 square will be 64, 9 square will be 81 and 10 square will be 100. Okay. So these numbers 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100 are known as square numbers. Okay, they are also known as perfect squares. So if I ask you, give me 4 perfect square examples, so you can write any of these numbers. These are all perfect squares. Okay, now there's a question given in your textbook. Write the perfect squares between number 30 and 40. So if you see this table, between 30 and 40 we have only got one perfect square, that is 36. Okay, numbers between 50 and 60, between 50 and 60, this is 49, this is 64. So there are no perfect squares between 50 and 60. Okay, so in your textbook there's a table given here where you have got all the perfect squares written from 1 to 20. So you can see 1 to 10, then 11 to 20. These are the squares of the number. So if I ask you what is the square of 13, so square of 13 is 169. That means 13 multiplied by 13 gives you 169. Okay, so 169 is a perfect square. So these are all perfect squares. So if I ask you the square of 18, so it is 324. That means 18 multiplied by 18 is 324. Now if we observe all these numbers, their units place especially, we start from this number. So you can see 1, 4, 9, 6, 5. Again there is 6 repetition, 9 repetition, 4, 1, 0. So you can see here only these numbers are repeated, 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 0. You can see here also units place I am talking about. Just look at the units place, 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 0. Okay, so you can see mostly the perfect squares numbers are always ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. You can't see any 3 here, you can't see any 9 here, you can't see any 2 here or 8 here. So you will not have 2, 3, 7, 8 at units place of perfect square. कोई भी perfect square हो उसके units place पे ये कभी नहीं होगा. परफेक्ट स्क्वायर के यूनिट्स प्लेस पे हमेशा 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 ही होगा. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट, ऐसे गेस करना हो कि ये नंबर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है या नहीं, तो यू शुड ऑलवेज सी कि ये नंबर्स हैं यूनिट्स प्लेस पे तो शायद परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होगा, और ये होंगे तो कभी भी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं होगा. सो देयर आर नंबर्स गिवन हियर इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. यू कैन सी दिस नंबर इज एंडिंग विथ 7, तो वो कभी भी परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं होगा. This number is ending with 9, so ये हो सकता है. Okay, this number is ending with 3, so this will never be a perfect square. This number is ending with 1, yes, it can be a perfect square. Okay, fine. So perfect squares will always have units place 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. So these are the properties of squares of numbers which we are going to study. This is the first property. Okay. Now all other properties we'll study from my notebook, which I have made a short gist out of it. So the first property is the squares of a number always end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 in units place. Okay. And you have to refer the page 90 of your textbook. So this table. Okay. Now the second property is any number which has got 1 and 9 in its units place will have always 1 in its units place of its square. Suppose I have got numbers 1, 9, 11, 19, 21. That means इनके units place पे कौन सा number है? 1 है, 9 है, 1 है, 9 है, 1 है. तो उनके square, उनको जब square करोगे तो उनके units place पे हमेशा 1 ही आएगा. So 1 and 9 कोई भी नंबर के 1 and 9 हो तो उनका स्क्वायर will always end with 1. Okay, so all these numbers will have 1 in their squares units place. That is the next property. Okay, so that is given in your textbook here. Any number which has got 1 and 9 in its units place, then the square will always end with 1. Okay, so ये numbers हैं और ये इसके squares हैं. Okay, now next is any number which has got 4 and 6 in its units place. Okay, तो उसका स्क्वायर हमेशा 6 से एंड होगा. So 4, 6, 14, 16 ऐसे 20, 24, 26 go on. तो उनके स्क्वायर्स के यूनिट्स प्लेस पे हमेशा 6 होगा. 4 स्क्वायर इज 16, 6 स्क्वायर इज 36, 14 स्क्वायर इज 196, 16 स्क्वायर इज 256. तो 4 and 6 नंबर जिसके यूनिट्स प्लेस पे होगा उसके स्क्वायर के यूनिट्स प्लेस पे हमेशा 6 होगा. ओके, दे विल हैव 6 इन देयर यूनिट्स प्लेस. ये उनके स्क्वायर के यूनिट्स प्लेस में होगा. ओके, तो ये नंबर्स हैं और ये उनके स्क्वायर्स हैं. नाउ एनी नंबर विच हैज गॉट 5 इन इट्स यूनिट्स प्लेस, उनके स्क्वायर के यूनिट्स प्लेस पे भी 5 ही होगा. सो 5, 15, 25 जिनके यूनिट्स प्लेस पे 5 है उनके स्क्वायर के यूनिट्स प्लेस पे भी 5 ही होगा. सो दीज आर द नंबर्स और ये उनके स्क्वायर्स हैं. Now the next point is any number which is ending with 3 and 7. It will always have 9 in its units place of their square. See 3, 7, 13, 17. ये numbers किससे end होते हैं? 3 या 7 से होते हैं. उनके squares पे देखो 9, 49, 169, 289. तो उनके units place पे कौन सा number है? 9. Okay. Now the numbers which are ending with 0, उनके units place पे square के always 0 ही होगा. Like 0 तो 0, 10 तो 100, 20 तो 400. So उनके units place पे भी 0 ही होगा और इनके units place पे भी 0 होगा. Okay. So these are the certain properties of squares. So all the squares will always end with these numbers only. Okay. Numbers which have got 1 and 9 उनका स्क्वायर के यूनिट्स प्लेस पे 1 होगा. Numbers which is ending with 4 and 6 उनके यूनिट्स प्लेस पे हमेशा 6 होगा. Numbers with 5 will have 5. Numbers with 3 and 7 will have 9. And numbers with 0 will always have 0. So we have completed this also this page of the textbook. Okay, and there are try these in this कि अभी ये कौन से नंबर पे 3 है तो कौन सा नंबर होगा उसके यूनिट्स प्लेस पे? दैट इज़ 9. 7 है तो कौन सा नंबर होगा यूनिट्स प्लेस पे? तो 9. 1 है तो कौन सा नंबर होगा इसके यूनिट्स प्लेस पे? सो 1, लाइक दैट. ओके, सो यू जस्ट ट्राई दिस एज अ होमवर्क. आई विल गिव यू. ओके, सो वी हैव कंप्लीटेड राइट नाउ टिल दिस पेज नंबर 92. ओके, सो विच वन विल हैव वंस डिजिट इन द स्क्वायर? सो वंस डिजिट किसके किसके स्क्वायर में होगा? ओके, सो 4 में होगा नहीं, क्योंकि 4 के यूनिट्स प्लेस पे कौन सा नंबर होगा? दैट विल बी 6. 2 नहीं, 2 के यूनिट्स प्लेस पे 4 होता है. 7 के यूनिट्स प्लेस पे 9 होता है. 6 के यूनिट्स प्लेस पे अगेन 6 होता है. 8 यस, 8 के यूनिट्स प्लेस पे कौन सा होता है? दैट इज 4. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 0. 0 के यूनिट स्पेस पे हमेशा 0 होगा. ओके, तो व्हाट विल बी द वंस डिजिट? ये सबके इसके वंस डिजिट पूछा है. इसके में वंस डिजिट कौन सा होगा? इसमें कौन सा वंस डिजिट होगा. ओके फाइन. विल कंटिन्यू विद द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक नेक्स्ट